And I got bullied really bad in public school when I was in public school, and my mom took me out and put me in homeschool. So I went from 5th grade to when I graduated in homeschool. And I just feel like in the last year it's gotten really bad. I've noticed it more in the last year than I think I've ever have, and I know it was just something that I could relate to, so I really wanted to touch on the subject and write a song. And my big goal with this song is to travel to, when I'm doing tours, to travel to middle schools and high schools and do a free concert and just kind of raise the awareness, because I feel like no one really takes it as serious as it needs to be taken, because, you know, you got kids committing suicide over this, and it's just really sad to me. So I'm going to depress everyone with this song. Alright, it's called Hey Bully. You say I'm too fat, you say I'm too skinny, you say I'm not cool, you say I'm not pretty, then you spread it all around and post it online for the whole world to see. Why you wanna make me cry and laugh at me like that? Why does it make you feel good, making me feel so bad? Hey bully, did somebody hurt you, make you feel small, and you take it out on me, cause it makes you feel tall, but just scared and alone. If you looked in my eyes, you'd see. Hey bully, you're a lot like me. In the back of the bus, you're a big star, but you took a little joke a little too far. And the headline news says the kids aren't always playing so nice out in the schoolyard. Why you wanna make me cry? You don't even know who I am, and if you gave me half a chance, we just might have been friends. Hey bully, did somebody hurt you, make you feel small, and you take it out on me, cause it makes you feel tall, but you're scared and alone. If you looked in my eyes, you'd see. Hey bully, you're a lot like me. It would be so easy to hit back at you, use my pain to hurt you too. Oh, but if I do, nothing'll change. I won't be a link in your chain. If somebody hurt you, make you feel small, and you take it out on me, cause it makes you feel tall. I bet you're scared and alone. If you looked in my eyes, you'd see. Hey bully, you're a lot like me. Ooh, you're a lot like me. You're a lot like me.
Thank you. Morgan Fraser, everybody.
Thank you so much.
So I think we're going to do a